Question 2 states, give all three definitions of voltage, describe in detail what they mean. First definition, voltage is the force that makes charges move. Electrons by themselves and other charges, they usually are in some kind of configuration that they need to get out of. So something needs to push them. So if you think about electrons, they're orbiting an atom, right? They're in their orbitals. If you're thinking about ions, they might be floating dissolved in a liquid. So something has to make them move, and that force is voltage. So definition number 2 deals with how it makes them move. Voltage is a difference in electric potential. The best way to understand electric potential is to look at gravitational potential. So over here we have a mountain and we have a lake on the top. We can say that on the top we have high gravitational potential because if there is a path for the water to flow down the hill, it will definitely flow because it's at a higher point. So we're at a high gravitational potential. On the bottom, we're at a low gravitational potential because if you try to make water flow from the lake over here, it's never going to flow up the mountain. So as long as there is a path for the water to flow, it will always go from high gravitational potential to low. The electric current works exactly the same way. We create a high electric potential and we create a low electric potential. The high electric potential in electrical engineering is a plus and the low electric potential is a minus, and the current flows from plus to the minus. Now definition number 3 is voltage is the amount of energy each charge has. So if you look at our previous example right here, then you can see that water molecules at the top of the lake have more potential energy than at the bottom because they're higher. We have exactly the same thing happening with our electric charges. So at the beginning of their journey, when they just come out of the voltage source, they have more energy than when they come back in. So voltage is the amount of energy each charge has, and it's measured in volts. And 1 volt is 1 joule per 1 coulomb, because joules are units of energy and coulombs are units of charge.